Guys, are you looking for an Apple AirPods alternative? Well, I'm taking a look at some cool earbuds today that really just might fit that bill, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the W320TN earbuds from Edifier. Now, these earbuds are absolutely stacked with features, including adaptive noise cancellation, high-res audio, and up to 27 hours battery life, and all for less than £100. Now guys, before we get into it, Edifier sent me these earbuds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. Now guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork and instructions. We also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then we have the earbuds themselves. Now, taking a look around the charge case, and we have this rather shiny grey colour, which is a bit of a change from black or white. But you know what? It is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but you know, we're pretty much used to that these days. Looking at the dimensions and putting it up against an Apple AirPods charging case, and you can see that the W320TN case is about 1.5 times bigger. On the front, we've got an LED for status and pairing, and on the back, guys, we have a decent quality hinge, and on the bottom, we've got that USB-C charge port. Now, open up the case and we have the earbuds themselves, and as with most of these types of earbuds, they are held magnetically in the case. Now, taking them out, and you can see that put up against those same AirPods Pro, we're probably about, again, 1.5 times bigger. There are no silicone ear tips, so they're more like standard AirPods than AirPods Pro. What I will say, however, is that they seem incredibly well constructed. So features, guys, well, as I already said, you've got adaptive noise cancellation. You also have environmental noise cancellation for making and taking calls, whereby these 320TNs use microphones to analyze ambient noise and then clever software to cancel that noise out. You also have IP54 dust and sweat proofing, and you've got multi-point Bluetooth connection, so you can connect multiple devices. So you know what, if you're watching a movie on a tablet and a call comes in, you don't need to kind of manually disconnect and connect, so it all happens automatically. Now guys, you also have built-in sensors, so when you take these out of your ears, the music or whatever content you're playing stops. And guys, you get about 5.5 hours playback, or 3.5 hours if you're using ANC. You get that from the earbuds themselves, and you get a further 22 hours or 14 hours from the case. Now, you don't get any wireless charging with these guys, but you can charge them for about an hour from a 10-minute charge. So you shouldn't be left in silence too long should you exhaust that charge case. Now, popping them into your ears, and you know what? They feel good. They just kind of sit in your ears like non-pro versions of the AirPods, and they feel very, very comfortable. You also get squeeze controls, which you can adjust and configure from the Edifier app. Yeah, of course there's an app. So in order to use that app, just download it from the iOS or the Google Play Store, pair up the normal way you would, whichever smartphone you've got, and launch your app. And once you're in the app, you can pick your device, and from here you can see battery status, you can activate ANC or ambient sound, you also have some preset EQ settings, and you can turn on or off game mode, which just gives you a lower latency to keep your action and sounds in sync. Go to the settings guys and you can see the firmware version, you can access the user manual, configure control settings, you can configure that pressure sensitivity for making all of the adjustments, and bearing in mind guys, those controls you can do pretty much everything: play, pause, skipping, rewinding, whatever. Also you can make and take calls, of course. And also guys, you can also configure or disable that wearing sensitivity for when you take these out of your ears. You can also, if you want to, disable that multi-point Bluetooth capability, and you can also find your earbuds if you've misplaced them. So guys, now we've been through all the settings, let's see how these sound. Now, I played a bunch of different songs, and one thing I thought first off is that these aren't particularly loud, which isn't a bad thing given that we don't want to damage our hearing. I also felt that the bass was quite neutral, but the mids and highs were actually super crisp, which made me really enjoy these earbuds. I listened for a few hours, and you know what? They were really nice to listen to. In comparison to my Apple Pros, first generation, I would say these sound a lot better, and for a fraction of the cost. Easily better value for money. And switching between the two, well, I can tell you now, these W320TNs connected super quick. Now guys, ANC, I would say that the Airpods were slightly better, but you know what? Not night and day better. Also, the call quality of these was good. My callers said they could hear me very, very clearly when I was talking, and I could hear them too, so happy days. So guys, there you have it. These Edifier W320TNs are definitely an Apple AirPod alternative. They sound better, they have decent ANC, all at a fraction of the cost, and at £99.99 at the time of this video, plus a further 20% discount, making them £79.99 on Amazon. They're a bit of a no-brainer. I'll leave any product links, guys, and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching. Thanks to Edifier for sending me these very nice sounding earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.